So, in this video, I'm going to solve one more lead code problem, and this is generate parenthesis. What you have to do? Key you are given. See, I would like to tell you some I would like to tell you something before solving this problem, and then we will come to the problem. I think you are familiar with recursion, and basically this is the problem of recursion, and then we can yeah, this is the problem of recursion. So I hope you know how to use recursion. If not, then you should study recursion before solving this problem. I would like to tell you ki if you are doing recursion, if you are writing some recursion code, then see, uh, along with recursion, you have to know backtracking type thing in this problem. You have to, if you are not knowing backtracking, then yeah, I will tell what is backtracking in this lecture. But I don't know. I don't tell you the concept of recursion in this because yeah, it will. If uh, yeah, see, what is recursion? Recursion is calling your function inside a function until unless it meet the base cases. If base cases is not satisfied, then function will be called inside a function again and again. Recursion is nothing but you may you may think it as a loop. Like, what is loop? You are calling, you are iterating a loop till a particular condition is satisfied or not, like that way. Recursion is something like that and nothing else, nothing new. So I think I hope you are done with recursion. You know recursion, and then you are trying this problem. See, uh, what is backtracking? Suppose you have a string, this you have something like s is equal to uh, ab ab. Okay, you have this string, and you called one function with this string. Okay, okay, call one function with this string ab, with string s, but 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 you want to call some another function, some another function with another string. Like, if you want to call this function with string a, then what you will do, you have to backtrack here. You have to backtrack here. Suppose if you are uh, how can I say, suppose you are done with some index 2, then you should go before you should go to index 1 in order to call some other index, something like 3 if possible. Okay, or backtracking, like if you are suppose you are calling the recursion from 3, then it will be called like f of 2, then f of 1, then f of 1, and then condition is met, then you have to return back. This is backtracking. Okay, so I hope you are done with recursion and backtracking both. So what is the problem in this video? I'm going to discuss with you is key. You are given n, and uh, you have to generate all the possible valid parentheses that can be possible with given n. See, if n is equal to 3, then you can generate this much parenthesis, this much valid parenthesis, and here every generated parenthesis is valid. In this case, you can see this string generated is a valid parenthesis, and also this string generated is a valid parenthesis, and every generated parenthesis is valid. So you have to generate with generate all the valid parentheses we given n. Okay, so see how will you approach this problem. You are given n is equal to 3, then can you start with this? You have to use this type of only parenthesis closing and opening, and nothing other thing, not other things, only this closing and opening parenthesis you have to use in these questions. So can you start with this key? If see, if you have one string, this you have a bucket of string, and you are telling ki I will start with this, then is it possible to start with this string? I think no, it is not possible to start with this closing parenthesis. We should always start generating string with this opening parenthesis. And up till, see, one thing I would like to tell ki mm, and if I have started, okay, let me draw the tree or recursion tree that you can understand. Okay, see, you are given n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3. Then I said ki you cannot start with this closing parenthesis, you have to always start with this opening parenthesis. Yeah, obvious, this is possible. If you will this is not possible to start with this closing parenthesis, you always have to start with this opening parenthesis. And see, what are the cases here? What are the cases here? Can I take this closing parenthesis? Can I add this opening parenthesis? Obviously, yes. And can I add closing parenthesis? Obviously, yes. Why not? I can add. Okay. So here there are two possibility of calling the function. I can add this opening parenthesis, and I can add this closing parenthesis too. Okay. So how many opening parentheses have been used? Okay, see, uh, h- what would be our next possibilities? Can I add this opening parenthesis? Obviously, yes. Why not? Because this might balance further. Can I add closing parenthesis? Why not? Yeah, I can add closing parenthesis too. Okay. What are possibilities here? Can I add opening parenthesis? No, we can't add opening parenthesis because see, we have in this, if n is equal to 3, then in one string we have 6 characters of in which three are of opening parenthesis and 3 are of closing parenthesis. Okay, got it? So here I can't add opening parenthesis. I will always have to add closing one. So here only one possibility I have. In this case, how many possibility I have? Uh, can I add opening parenthesis? Yeah, we can add opening parenthesis. In this case, C. And can I add closing parenthesis? Obviously, yes. Okay, I will tell you one thing, one catch in this problem that you will get, and you will realize, yeah, this problem is about this thing only, and there is nothing else. Okay, so see, uh, here we have done. Okay. Let me opening, closing, opening. Huh. Okay. So what are the possibilities here? Can I add opening? No, I can't add opening. Uh, I can add only closing parenthesis. See, here, yeah, this, and this. What are the possibilities here? Can I add opening? Yeah, I can add opening parenthesis in this case too, because I have only two opening and one no, no, I can't add opening parenthesis because I already have three opening parentheses, and we have seen ki there should be uh, what at most n opening and n closing parenthesis in the formed parenthesis string. Okay, so I can't this add what opening parenthesis. So what can I do? I have to add this closing one, and here only one possibility possible. There is only one possibility at this case. Okay, I can add closing parenthesis. Okay, what are the possibilities here? Can I add opening? Can I add opening? See, already two opening, and yeah, it is possible to have one more opening. Yes, sorry, this was, see, yeah, yeah, I should have one opening. Okay, should I what the possibility? Can I add one closing parenthesis? See, two closing and two opening. Can I add closing parenthesis? Can I add closing parenthesis? See, if I will add closing parenthesis here, and then what are the possibility at the end? I will add opening. See, it is already unbalanced. It is already unbalanced, and if I will add opening or if I will add closing, then also it is not going to balance anymore. The system is, if I will add if I will add another uh, closing parenthesis, then it will never be balanced. So what is the next observation we got here? Next observation is that the closing parenthesis must be less than opening parenthesis. If if closing is greater than equal to opening, then there is only one possibility of adding only adding only opening parenthesis to the string. Okay. So here you can't add closing one. So what is the possibility here? Only one possibility. Okay. And what is the possibility here? Possibility. Okay. See. Wow. Okay. Okay. What is the next possibility here? Can I add can I add this close opening one? No, I have to add only closing ones. So okay, done. I have to add another closing parenthesis in this case also. See, now it is, and now we have got one valid parenthesis. What are the possibility in this case? Can we add opening? See, we have already three opening, and can we add closing? Yeah, because there are three opening parentheses and only two closing parentheses. So we can add one closing parenthesis in this case too. Okay. Yeah. uh, what is the possibility here? Can we add opening C? Already three, closing two. Yeah, can we can add closing one, not opening. Okay, so see, in this way, yeah, it is done. It is now, I think it is also valid. It is also valid. It is also valid. So I think we can't add any opening parentheses. So now I have to see about this function. In this way, we can get all the possibilities, and here three, and there you will get two. Like you can add, you have one opening and one closing. Then you can, yeah, you can add. Only opening, not closing, because closing are equal to this what closing are equal to opening. Then you have to add only opening. There is only one possibilities, and other is that ki, uh, uh, you have, after that you have what possibility you have since you have what two opening and one closing. Then you have two possibilities, like you can add both opening and closing. See, I have added this one closing, and then I will add one opening too. Okay, so here So what are the possibility here? What the possibility here? Can we add opening? Yeah, we can add opening. Yeah, we can add opening. And can we add closing? Yeah, we can add closing too, because we have this. Can we add closing? See, we can't add closing because your opening and closing both are same. And what I said, ki, you can add closing parenthesis only when it is less than opening. So here closing and opening are equal. So you can't add anything in this string. So this is not possible. This is not possible. Okay. So what about this? Okay, so let me complete it first. What are the possibility here? Can we add opening? We already have three opening. We can't add opening. We can add closing here in this case, and then see here you will get another parenthesis. See here you got another parenthesis. It is this one, and then this one, and then this one. And and can what are the possibility here? What are the possibility here? Can we add opening and closing? See, here we have already three opening, so we can't add opening parenthesis. We always have to use close parenthesis. Okay. So this what are the possibility here? We can use opening. No, we cannot use opening. We have to close. We have to use close parenthesis. So it will be like this, like this. See, one this 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 and this. Okay, now I think you are understood with this tree diagram. See, you can't say this valid parenthesis and this valid parenthesis are same. They are different. So now you are done with this uh, explanation part. Then I should go with coding part now. I will start this closing and opening with int. Close is equal to what? Go with 0, and int open is equal to what? You should also go with 0. So I have to create one vector. Okay, and I have to make one function here. So I def uh, okay, let me tell intent mm, int open comma int close comma vector of string and v comma str string and str. See, I will write a base case later. First of all, I would like to handle all the cases. Okay. First of all, I will have to handle all the cases. What will if see open will be less than this n, then what can I do? Yeah, I can add this opening parenthesis, and then I will call for this str. I will call for this n comma opening. I have to increase the count of opening by 1, and then close as it is, and then vector v as it is, and then string str you have to pass. Okay. And see, here I will do backtracking portion. Here I will do backtracking portion. See what I have did key. I had called this key from this parenthesis. You will be called this, but you have to backtrack. You have to op- append this append out this parenthesis, opening parenthesis, to get this parenthesis, and then I will call for this string in the next function. See what I will do. I will str dot pop back the last character of the string, and then what I will do if close is less than open, then I will add the str plus what this a closing parenthesis. and then I will call for this string. Initially what? Initially it was this. Yeah, this opening parenthesis, and then I will close for this one. I had called this function. I had called this function for this one. See, and then I will pop it back. I will pop it back, and then I will close for this. I will append this, and then I will call for this, and here I will do. And here that I'm doing. Key n open as it is, then close plus one, then v, then str. Okay. Then str dot pop back, str dot pop back. Okay. So I think we have covered all the cases, and we should go with this. If open is equal to what? If open is equal to n, and close is equal to n, then what I have to do? I have to b dot push back. I have to push back the string str, and then return, then return h. Now see n comma open, comma close, comma what? Open close, then b comma str, return b, return b. What I'm getting here? Compilation error. V dot push back. Here push back. Compilation error is my permanent error. Push back declared here. Okay, see, I am getting correct answer for this. So let me submit it. Okay, 64.9 percentage solution. You have written this much solutions. Okay, congratulations. Thank you for this. For now, thank you and bye.